Okay, so in the previous lesson, we had created the surface anatomy for the legs. So now we're going to start to move on into the area of the arms. So we're going to be looking at an advanced modeling technique over here. So it's a really good idea to watch this lesson multiple times so you can understand the methodologies that I'm going to be showing you over here. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and make sure that we're only selected on this layer over here. And let's go back to solid view over here. Make sure that our snapping is enabled. We're back on increment. Go back to edit mode, and under meshes, edges, make sure that you have your shortcut key Control A enabled. Okay. So I'm going to press 1 to go into my front view, and let's go ahead and shut this off over here. Shift middle mouse button to come over here. Okay, now before we get into the arms, let me just show you over here that if I do the right view over here, you can see that in this idea of the formula-based system, we have the ability to really change anything that we want. So what I want to show you is that if you want to remove some of this fat area over here, you can simply right click this one, shift key down, this one and this one, right? Just select these guys over here. Go to your right view. Make sure that you're in the big grid units. Take it to the right. Take it up, and you can just W and then smooth it 1 time and then 2 times over here. Simply click on this one and W smooth 1, 2. If you do tab, you can see that now we've removed that fat area over here, and it makes him look a little more younger. Now, the other thing that we want to take a look at is go ahead and go back to your tab into edit mode, A to select, A to deselect. So we've already talked about this idea of these floating vertices, right? They're only going to occur very rarely. And then we have this floating vertex over here. Okay. Again, this idea of these triangles in the subsurface is that we know that it's going to be created with quads when we actually capture the model. So if you go to your front view and zoom in over here, you'll see that we have one more floating vertex inside here where the tear duct is. So we're going to do X and go ahead and just dissolve this. So this will give us a triangle inside, meaning that it's going to be quads in the subdivision. So now we're going to click on this, go to your front view. Now again, if I press Z, I'm in the smaller grid units automatically. So you can just simply make this go up 1 time over here. Then we're going to click on this one. Remember, you can press the period key to home in on that vertex so you can rotate around with your middle mouse button. So make sure you rotate it like this. Let's go ahead and remove the snapping and click on this green arrow and just bring it out a little more over here. Okay, so now we get that completed. And A to deselect. Okay, so what we want to do now is start to move into this forearm over here. So the first thing that we're going to do is A to select and then A to deselect everything. Go ahead and click on your face select mode and click on this face, shift key down, this one, this one, this one, this one, this. So we're going to create the bicep area first. Go ahead and just do E to extrude and then right click to get out of it. Do Alt key down and just right click on this edge. It will select the edge loop. Now we can do W smooth 1, 2, and then 3. Then select on this face over here, shift key down, this one, this one, this one. Go to your top view over here, shift middle mouse button to pan it to bring it in the middle. Then pull it down 1 time like this, then do W smooth 3 times, 1, 2, and then 3. Now we're going to go back into the front view by pressing 1. Click on this face, go back to your top view by pressing 7. Bring it down 1 time, and then do W smooth 1 and then 2. And then 1 over here, A to deselect. Okay, so now we're going to start looking at a little more advanced modeling techniques over here. So first we're going to do is Control R, and we're going to do left click and then right click over here. Then over here we're going to do Control R, left click and then right click over here. Now we're going to get this edge over here. You're going to right click this and we're going to do Control A to move it to the side over here. This allows us to do Control R, left click and then right click. we can now click on this one, do Control A 1 and then 2 to bring it back the way it was, because it was connected over here. Now it's connected over here. This gives us the ability to click on this edge over here, do Control A 1 time. Then click on this one, do Control A 1 time. So now you're going to get this guy over here, and right over here you're going to get this edge. You're going to do Control A 1 time. Now you're going to click on this edge, shift key down this one, then select on this one, and just do Control A 1 time. Okay, A to D select. So if I do tab, what we're going to do is now define this area over here, the junction of the bicep and the deltoid and the pec muscles. Okay, go back to your front view by pressing 1. So the way we can do this is we can simply click on the vertex mode. So we're going to click on this vertex, shift key down in this one. Now when we press the J key to join, you'll see that it simply goes right through it and solves all these issues for us. This means that we can click on this vertex, shift key down this one, and press J to join. Okay, and this means that we can now select on this edge over here. We can select on this one and X and dissolve this edge. So you can see how this reroutes how the edges are done to create this deltoid over here. So what we are left with is an n-gon. So over here is 1 vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? A quad is 4. So we can clearly see that this over here is a triangle. So if we click on this one, do W, we can simply do merge and then at center. This gives us the ability to click on this edge over here, do Control A 1 and then 2. And then if you go to the front view, you can see that how this over here is simply realigned itself. Okay, now we're going to click on the vertex, click on this vertex, do W, merge at center. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this edge. Now you can see that this, when I've done this, I can click on this one, do Control A, and now it will automatically take this line going across this way, A to D select. Okay, so now we're going to click on the face select mode, click on this face, and just take it to the right to bring on the deltoid. Go to the edge select mode, click on this edge, take it to the right, click on this one, then do W, and we're going to smooth this 1 time. Now we're going to click on this edge, shift key down this one, and this one, do smooth 3 times, 1, 2, and then 3 with the W key, A to D select. Okay, so now what we're going to do is click on the face select mode, click on this one and this one, do W smooth 1, 2, and 3 over here. Okay, so now if I do tab, you can see that how we're now defining this area over here, the deltoid. So now what we can do is use that same technique that we already did. Click on the vertex mode and select on this vertex and this one and do J to join. Click on this one and this one, J to join. Click on the edges, and now I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so I'm going to delete this edge, but I want you to notice that we've got 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, and 4 triangle. If I do X and dissolve edges, it will remove that edge, meaning that we get rid of 2 triangles. So we're left with 1 triangle and 2 triangles. But look what happens when we click on this one. We can do Control A 1 and then 2. Make it go this way, and then click on this one, which is basically 2 triangles together, and we know that if we do X and dissolve, it will leave a quad. So now we can click on this one, do W smooth 1, 2, and then 3, and then click on this one, W smooth 1, 2, and A to D select. You can see that how we can now define this whole area very smoothly over here. Okay, now just select on this one and then do W and then smooth, bring it down over here. So we're done with this area over here for the bicep, well, really for this junction here for now. Next, we're going to click on this edge. So if I just hover my mouse and right click right like outside of it, it'll select this edge. So if you do the middle mouse button, you can see that this is the edge that it's selecting. So go back to your front view and just move it up 1 time. We're going to do W and then smooth over here, A to D select. Okay, now I'm going to go to the top view, press the 7 key. So over here, this is the line, right? This is the line that's going over here, that's defining the deltoid. So go back to your top view, shift key down, middle mouse button. So if I follow this, I get this one, then I get this one, then right over here I can do Control A 1, 2. to start to get the deltoid to go in the back area over here. Then click on this one, Control A, 1, 2. Click on this one, 1, 2, and then click on this one, 1, and then 2. So if you do tab, you can see how we're defining this area of the muscle. Okay? Okay, so let's go back and go into edit mode, A to select, A to deselect. Now we're going to start to define this area of the forearms over here. So go ahead and select on the face select mode, click on this face, shift key down this one, and take it to the right one time. The reason we did this is it's because you see where this grid line is? The tip of the bicep needs to be here. If the tip is to the left of this line, then the bicep will look too small. This is why we did it. Okay, go ahead and select on the edges. Now we can select on this edge, shift key down this one, this. I'm just going to zoom in over here. Select on all these edges over here. Okay, so if I do middle mouse button, you can see how we've selected these edges. Now we're going to do W and we're going to do subdivide. We've only used this feature really one time when we started out with the box to start the course in the first lesson. Now if I do W subdivide, you can see that what it does is adds all the edges going horizontally over here. Okay, go to your front view over here. So when we do that, we can simply click on this vertex mode and click on this vertex, this one, and they do J to join it. Click on this one, and J to join. A to deselect. Now we're going to select on the edge select mode. Click on this one. We're going to do Control A, 1, and then 2. Click on this edge, do 1, 2, 3. Now we can click on this edge, do 1, 2. Click on this one, and only have to do this one time. A to deselect. So now this gives us the ability to come in over here, click on these two edges. The reason we're selecting these is because you can see that there's a vertex right over here. So if we do W and then do subdivide, go into vertex mode, you can see that we get a vertex. So we can click on this one, this, and press J to join. Okay, so if we go back to edge select mode, click on these two edges because we can clearly see that these are two triangles. All we have to do is X and dissolve these edges. So this gives us a quad over here. So now let's go ahead and click on this edge over here. Now, if you do shift key down, you can see that we can simply right click and add these edges, right? If you right click again, you can deselect them. So having this edge selected, if I now press just the control key down, click on this one, I can simply select the entire line of the edge. Okay, so that's another technique if you want to use it. I just wanted to show you that. Anyways, so we've selected this, just middle mouse button to rotate like this. Shift key down, select on this, and this. So we need to select it in this pattern and then do W smooth 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and select on this edge, shift key down this one. Now go to your right view by pressing 3. Press the Z key. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Make sure you have big grid units and take the green arrow to the right one time like this. Z to go into solid view, go into your front view and just do W smooth 1 and then 2. A to deselect. So if you do tab, you can see that we're starting to define this area of the forearm, the muscle groups.